अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम न्यूट्रिशन ह्यूमन बींग्स का तीसरा पार्ट उठाने जा रहे हैं। पहले दो पार्ट्स हमने डिस्कस किए हैं। उसमें हमने माउथ, बकल कैविटी, फैक्स और इसोफेगस के बारे में हमने ऑलरेडी डिटेल्ड डिस्कशन किए हैं। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे स्टोमक के बारे में। पहले हम ये देखना चाहते हैं व्हाट इज स्टोमक। Actually, stomach is an organ which has got muscular walls. So we can also say stomach, it is a kind of a hollow space. It is a J-shaped bag-like structure which has got muscular walls which are flexible. That means these muscular walls, they are capable of expanding and contracting. So stomach can increase its size. It expands when food enters because it has got muscular walls. Now, what is the purpose of muscular walls? Actually, muscular walls are capable of contracting and expanding. And this contraction and expansion help us in mixing the food with the digestive juice which are present in the stomach. Actually, we can say stomach is a place where digestion actually happens. And for digestion, what do we need? हमें किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है? हमें ज़रूरत है enzymes की. So stomach is a place where we have enzymes. This muscular wall of the stomach actually helps in mixing the food with the digestive juice. Understand? Now, the stomach contains gastric glands which secretes enzymes, pepsin, hydrochloric acid, and mucus. What are gastric glands? First of all, we should know what are glands. Glands are the organs that synthesize and release some substances. So we have several glands in our body. For example, we have endocrine gland, we have exocrine glands. So what are glands? Actually, they are organs that synthesize and release substances like hormones and enzymes. These glands can produce these substances either into the blood or they can produce them into the body cavity. So, stomach also has special type of gland which is known as gastric gland, and these glands produce an enzyme known as pepsin. Now, what is the purpose of this enzyme pepsin? Dear students, pepsin actually helps in digestion of proteins. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि हम गुज़ा लेते हैं कम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म में, तो उसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स भी होते हैं, प्रोटीन्स भी होते हैं और फैट्स भी होते हैं. क्योंकि कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन्स, फैट्स ये न्यूट्रेंट्स हैं, ये उस गुज़ा में मौजूद होते हैं. तो वी नीड एंजाइम टू डाइजेस्ट ईच ऑफ देम. हमें इन न्यूट्रिएंट्स को डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए एंजाइम्स की ज़रूरत है. और जो एंजाइम पेप्सिन है ये प्रोटीन्स को डाइजेस्ट करने में मदद देता है. जिस तरह से माउथ में सल्फरी एमाइलेज हैं वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स को डाइजेस्ट करता है. चलो कंप्लीट डाइजेशन तो वहाँ पे नहीं होती हैं, बट एटलीस्ट it was converting the complex sugars into little simple sugars. So this enzyme pepsin is used for digestion of proteins. Now, what is the purpose of HCl? Actually, this hydrochloric acid will kill microbes which are present in the food. सपोज हम खाना खाते हैं, उसमें हो सकता है कि जरासीम्स मौजूद हो. जब हम इनटेक फूड करते हैं तो गुज़ा जब स्टमक में जाता है, मे बी कुछ माइक्रोब्स मौजूद होंगे. तो जो ये HCl है, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड है, ये उनको किल करता है, उन माइक्रोब्स को किल करता है. और दूसरा पर्पस जो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड का ये है कि जो ये बनाता है मीडियम एसिडिक. So what does the advantage of the medium becomes acidic? If the medium becomes acidic, the gastric enzymes will be able to work. That means these gastric enzymes, as I said, pepsin, the gastric enzymes work only in acidic medium. So that means we need something to make the medium acidic. So for that they secrete hydrochloric acid. The stomach has gastric glands which secretes gastric enzymes which helps in digestion of proteins. It also secretes hydrochloric acid which makes the medium acidic so that the gastric enzymes can actually become active. So these gastric enzymes like pepsin are not active in alkaline medium. So they want medium to be acid. Now the third one is mucus. What is the purpose of mucus? Actually, what is mucus? Mucus is a viscous, slimy, liquid-like thing. Mucus prevents too much of hydrochloric acid to get deposited in the stomach. Because if too much of hydrochloric acid get deposited in the stomach, what will happen? The medium will become too much acidic and that can give rise to acidity. जिससे हमें acidity हो जाती है. So digestion happens in the stomach with the help of gastric enzymes. So with this we finish our discussion on stomach. So now where the food goes from the stomach? So after stomach the food goes to the small intestine. So before that we will talk about some of the other digestive glands which are present inside our body. The first one is liver. Liver is the largest gland in the human body. So what does the liver secretes? The liver secretes juice called bile juice, which is stored in gallbladder, जो gallbladder में store होता है. Now what is the function of this bile juice? The function of this bile juice is it helps in emulsification of fats. That means the digestion of fats. The complex fats are converted into the simple fatty acids. And it makes the medium alkaline. It activates the it makes the medium alkaline. जो ये अल्कलीन मीडियम बन जाता है तो अल्कलीन मीडियम में ही पेनक्रियाटिक और इंटेस्टाइनल एंजाइम्स एक्ट करते हैं, वो काम करते हैं. इसे स्टोमक में जो गैस्ट्रिक एंजाइम्स हैं वो एक्ट करते हैं एसिडिक मीडियम में. तो यहाँ पर ये पेनक्रियाटिक और इंटेस्टाइनल एंजाइम्स एक्ट करते हैं अल्कलीन मीडियम में. So the pancreas is another second largest gland which secretes pancreatic juice. The pancreatic juice consists of three types of enzymes. Number one, trypsin. Number second, pancreatic amylase. Number third, pancreatic lipase. So, what are the function of each of these enzymes? Actually, trypsin helps in digestion of proteins. So I can say trypsin digests proteins. Pancreatic amylase digests starch, and lipase, which is derived from lipids, it digests fats. So this pancreatic juice contains all the enzymes which digest proteins, carbohydrates as well as fats. Now in order these pancreatic enzymes start acting, the medium has to be alkaline. Thank you.